Welcome to Smith Mountain Freight, truck driver recruiting. We will discuss who we are and what we do, what do we provide and what do you need, any fees or costs on your end, how the pay works, what you need to do to get started. Who are we and what do we do? We're a truck driver recruiting company that hires truck drivers for over 60 different companies. We have been in the transportation industry for over 20 years. We have set up a platform that, if followed and dedicated the time to put into it, you can see major income changes in your household. So how does recruiting work? The trucking companies provide us with location and the type of positions they need filled, provide us with all the details of the position, running areas, etc., and time off, qualifications that's required for each position, pay information, time frame, and needing to hire. Smith Mountain Freight's duty is to post all the jobs that's need to be filled. We cover all the costs for that. We compile the leads for the drivers that have submitted resumes for each position. Provide an 800 number for the drivers that wish to call in rather than submitting a resume. We update the jobs that they become available and delete those that have been filled. What does the agent do? So what would be your position? You'll answer any incoming calls, call the leads provided of drivers that actually have applied. We don't do anything that's old. It's all that's applied in the last day or two. You pre-qualify them by the company, whatever their requirements are. Normally it's 3 to 5 questions. You enter the driver's zip code of where they reside, and it will give you a list of positions available for that driver and all the details concerning the position. After ensuring the driver meets the qualifications and both of you are in agreement with the position, you will call the driver into the customer. The customer will do the rest. They'll take care of all the application, paperwork, verifying their previous employment, background checks, etc. So what does it take to recruit? The things that you'll need to get started: great attitude and dedication to work from home in a normal job setting. Knowledge of the basics of a computer and how to use it. Owner of a computer or a laptop. This position doesn't work with a cell phone or tablet. Home phone or cell phone, whichever one you prefer. We have an access number, so that blocks your phone number. You don't have to ever worry about your personal number being out there. Availability Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 Eastern Time. What do we provide? All prospects from the resumes for the drivers that you call generate into your extension. Phone system to ensure your personal information is kept private. Training that you're able to do on your own time. However, if you need more than that, then we can do one-on-one with you. Company email. Support at all times during business hours. How much does it cost and how are you paid? How does the pay work? You're paid on a commission-based pay per customer. Pay ranges from $300 to $1,200 per hire, depending on the company. You don't get paid for training or for calling leads out. You only get paid for drivers that get hired. Drivers are scheduled for orientation. They must pass a drug test, and pay is within 2 weeks after that. However, they normally pay in a week, but they do have 2 weeks. You're paid by PayPal, so if you don't have a PayPal account, you will need to set that up, but it's free. You'll be issued a 1099 at the end of the year for you to file your own taxes. How much does it cost you? Nothing. We will never charge you anything to do this. We provide everything. Some frequently asked questions. How much do I get paid for training and daily hours of calling out? You're only paid for drivers that get hired. This is a commission, so no training pay, etc. Will there be a set training date and time, or how does that work? No, we provide you with a training module to learn at your own pace. However, we do offer more training in depth if needed. Can I work this as a part-time or a couple hours a day? I'm sorry, it is so hard to keep up with drivers. We've learned in the past, if you don't have some type of schedule that you make in order to communicate with the drivers, then we found that it's a waste of time. You lose more drivers because they need communication when the company's open and be available at all times. Where's my leads or the job information? Once you're completed training, we'll provide that to you, and you're able to go in and see where the leads are, as well as all jobs posted. Is there a driver script I need to use, or is it like cold calling? No, it's not like cold calling because the drivers have applied for the position you're actually calling them on. And we do provide some sort of. What do you need to do if you're interested in proceeding further? If you're not interested, thank you for your time, and I wish you the best. You can go ahead and close out now. If you are interested, the next step, we will ask you for some information just so we can get your login set up. That's just basic application info. After answering the questions, you will scroll down and it'll bring you to a non-compete. A non-compete is to sign as stating that once you're trained and you come on board with us, you will not recruit for any of our carriers if you shall leave for a year. And that's all it is. Look forward to working with you and have a great day.